Hey everyone, so I recently popped this video up showing you that Instagram has had an update inside of their interface. Now, this update happened inside my Instagram account, not in the App Store. Basically, that the navigation bar along the bottom has changed, which means that the way we create posts has also changed. Now, you might not be seeing this update as yet. All I can suggest you do is update the app and then wait for it to pop up. I will say that once you've updated it, you cannot reverse it. So if you don't like the look of it, then don't go through with the update. There will be a point, mind you, that this update will just happen and you won't have a choice. So now that we've got this new update, how do you actually post a new update of your own to Instagram? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you can see from my phone up here on the screen that the interface looks a bit different. At the bottom here on the right, you have your profile, which is where I'm on at the moment. Then you can go to the search bar, you can go to your messages, you can go to the Reels tab, and you can go to the Home tab. Now, going back to my profile page, you'll notice that the navigation for your settings and everything is still in the same place. You got to the hamburger bars and you can see all of your settings in here. So that hasn't changed at all. So that just stays the same. You will see, however, that there is a plus button in the top left-hand side of the option. And this is where things have changed. So you can see that we have Reels. We have edits built in. So basically Instagram wants you to use their own editing tool inside of the app. So you don't have to go out to the secondary app anymore. You can access it in here. You can also do a post, a story, you can add to your highlights, you can go live, you can use AI, you can do your fundraiser, and you can manage your channel. So all of this is accessed through that plus button at the top. Now you can still access your stories by clicking the plus button around your circle, and you can still view the other areas of your channel by going to the Reels tab here. You can also see your reposts, which are there. And you can also see the videos and posts that you've been tagged in. They will show up there as well. So how do you actually make a post of your own? Well, it's really easy. So instead of going down the bottom, you just come to the top and press the plus button. Say like I'm going to do a story. I'll click the story option and it will either take me into my gallery, which you can see here, or you click the camera option and it will open up the Instagram Stories app as it used to. Then you can go on and do a story. You can also access the option to do a post by using the bit at the bottom, the reel, and you can also go live as well from that area. Now you can still go to the home key and swipe to the right and open up that access as well for you to be able to choose whether you want to do a post, a story, a reel, or a live stream. So not too many changes. So I would just update you on this new interface. I know some of you saw this previous video here and didn't really like the changes. Unfortunately, we just have to go with the flow of what Instagram wants. But the rest of Instagram is just the same. And, you know, if you have any questions about Instagram and how it works, let me know. It's a great tool to reach an audience. And of course, if you have it set up so that when you post to Instagram, it automatically shows up on Facebook, that's even better. And if you didn't know you could do that, let me know in the comments and I'll do a video for you on that as well. My name's Anita. I'm a digital strategist and I'm helping you to use social media so that you can promote your business. See you later.